So just a quick video. You can even just be working on your own homestead and have something happen. I was milling this log and I had already passed through just that top portion of the log up there. And I was just, finishing my pass, even though it wasn't cutting anything. Never touch, all of a sudden we hear this loud pop. And shut her down. And my blade broke while it was still spinning. I admit, that was pretty scary. That running off. There's the other part where it's broken. Just thankful that didn't fly out and hit somebody. Look at that. Spinning right up. Well, I guess this will be good for making Damascus steel out of. Time to go buy a new blade.